Total Repair Cream is your comprehensive go-to anti-aging moisture cream. Total Repair Cream is based on our Clinic Reserve facial in our clinic on Melrose Place. We took all those steps and ingredients and bottled it into one cream. So this is an anti-aging repair cream that will blow your mind. So Total Repair Cream has a lot of different ingredients that help all signs of aging. Number one, it has peptides to fight fine lines and wrinkles, hyaluronic acid and squalene to deeply moisturize the skin. It also has ceramides and lipids to repair the barrier. And then it has a medley of oils, macadamia nut, jojoba oil, and baba seed oil. So how to use Total Repair Cream is really simple. I use it morning and night, and I usually layer this over my firming serum. And I apply one pump, and you can see you just pump and you get the exact amount that you need. And I apply it all over the face, neck, and chest.